A few key metrics that are really important when we are analyzing lead gen Facebook ads campaign. First thing first, on the Facebook ad side, we have the CTR, click-through rate. Now, CTR stands for, we have two sets of CTR. One set is CTR all and CTR link click. CTR all stands for the percentage of people who click on anything on the ad, and CTR link click stands for the percentage of people who click on the call to action button. So the benchmark for all is 1.2%, and benchmark for link click is 1%. So if you're lower, doesn't matter, but we want to see how low it is. So if you have a lower CTR, then maybe it's actually an indicator that your ad creative is not attractive enough. Maybe you can actually try to fix that. Now, on the other hand, we will also monitor the CPM. Now, CPM stands for cost per 1,000 impressions. Now, this is really the real cost that you are paying when you're running ads on Facebook. Because basically, people just, you pay every 1,000 times Facebook show you ads. It's kind of like a floating cost. So we don't have a benchmark for that because every industry, every objective, every country is actually different. But we use the whatever we have and we monitor. We don't want to have too much of a fluctuation, but basically we use our previous campaign data as a benchmark. And then after that, we will analyze, the frequency, which is important so that we are not overreaching this audience. And of course, we have after the click. So from click, landing page view to lead, we will also monitor because basically, especially lead gen, in fact, not just lead gen, e-commerce as well. Advertising on Facebook and Instagram involves two major parts. One is before the click. One is after the click. Now, before the click, really the ad and the creative play significant role. But after the click, your landing page, your button setup, your process and all that really is also equally important, if not more important, to determine whether your campaign is a success or not. That's why when we have the whole data in place, we'll be able to determine whether it's a creative part that is falling apart or it's actually the landing page that is not converting. Then we fix the right thing. So this is how to have a very guided method to analyze your campaign and to really, really do the right thing with, informed decision with data. So that's what I always advocate. So you can go to this link. You just go to my YouTube channel, search for Lead Gen Facebook Ads Data Analysis. It's a free training, open for all. You can actually watch that and analyze for yourself. But if you need help, just in case, you said that, can you just come in and help me analyze my existing lead gen campaign and tell me what to do next? Yes, you may scan this QR code. It will take you to my Fiverr gig where you can purchase the gig. Then we can have a 30-minute one-on-one Zoom call to analyze your campaign. So mainly we do three things together. First, I'll be building a Meta Ads dashboard, metrics dashboard in your ads manager, save it for you so that in the future you can always come back to it. And then after that, I will analyze the data for you, okay? And at the same time, helping you understand and grasp the idea of how to analyze this on your own in the future. And as we analyze, we will build a plan. So at the end of the session, you'll be having a plan on what to do. At least like step 1, 2, 3. Do this first. If it works, then good. If it doesn't, then we go to the next one. And so it's like an optimization plan developed for you. So that's what you're looking for. Scan this QR code. Start making informed decision backed by numbers instead of gut feeling about whether this is working or not, right? So yeah, I look forward to work with you.